What's up, guys? Artillery Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the black serrated switchblade. Let's begin. Okay, this actually is more like a design on a spring assist, which, well, this was alongside with the things like, the spring assists out there. Always the Diet Coke of switchblades. So here is the little switch on there. And this is how you block the blade. Oh, no, wait. No, it's like right there. My bad. And that's how you basically know that's how you block it. And when you take it that way, bam. And even the weirdest one out there is there's a little like thumb clip on there. And this is what you can do with it. You just need to press the button. You can just basically do it like that. So that is pretty insane about it. Of course, always, it actually used to have like the little pocket clip, but the bolts was pretty loose, so the whole thing was missing. Of course, you have five silver holes indicating to it. You also have the Phillips screwdriver, or Phillips, all around the thing. And even including this one here, unlike the other one where it's basically just non-existent because I guess the button's there, but the screw can actually be put right there, which is really weird. And of course, you have the star screw. You can take that out for the blade itself, so you can disassemble it, which is weird enough. Okay, and the blade itself, you got like basically of bumps of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bumps on there. And of course you have 9 basically caved in. Of course you have this is more of a whole drop point, alongside it being serrated. 440 stainless steel. And on the side says China. Ah, wonderful. I'm actually very surprised that it actually still had the holes out there, so I guess they want to keep the details out there too. You could definitely know for it. And the mechanism is rather pretty tight, like the stiletto switchblade. So let's talk about the size itself. So the size on the black serrated switchblade is around about of 3 inches. Meanwhile, for the handle, while it's being closed, would be around about of 4.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size, as you could see from here, would be around about of 8 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is rather good. Actually, a lot of damage to it out there, which is pretty insane about it. But yeah, just as you could definitely note, it was probably like hanging like 1 bit strand on the thing, and that's where it happened. Even like a hole in there. So I'm very surprised by it, which is also pretty good about it. So I give the black serrated switchblade an astounding of an 8 out of 10. It's a very kind of bit more modern take on a switchblade. Basically had the same feel like, or doesn't look like a switchblade. It actually looks similar to, a spring assist ones, which I actually did bought with this guy. So that wraps up of the black serrated stiletto, or black serrated switchblade. I'm Artillery Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.